Every startup needs funding, but investors don't invest in ideas. They invest in stories, stories told through a pitch deck. Today, I'm walking you step by step through how to create a pitch deck that actually wins investors. Pitch deck is not just a slideshow. It's your startup story condensed into 10 to 15 slides. Think of it like a movie trailer. You don't give away every detail, but you capture attention, build curiosity, and make people want more. Now, let's break down the must-have slides. Keep it simple. Keep it sharp. Here's the exact order most winning decks follow. Start with the cover. Show company name, logo, and tagline. Keep it clean, no clutter. Example, Airbnb's original tagline, book rooms with locals rather than hotels. Slide 2, the problem. Identify the pain point. Show how big and painful it is. Use real stats or even better, a story. Example, millions of travelers couldn't find affordable or authentic stays. At the same time, millions of people had extra space in their homes that sat empty. Slide 3, the solution. Present your product as the hero. One clear statement, what do you do and how do you solve it? Show quick demo screenshot or mock-up. Example, Airbnb turns spare rooms into hotel alternatives. A simple website where hosts list and guests book. Slide 4, market opportunity. Present TAM, total addressable market, SAM, serviceable market, and SOM, obtainable market. Investors want to know, is this big enough? Keep it visual, use a graph or pie chart. Example, the global travel market was $500 billion plus in 2008. Airbnb only needed a slice to succeed. Slide 5, product demo. Show screenshots, quick walkthrough. Don't over-explain features, just highlight the magic. Slide 6, traction. Show revenue, user growth, and partnerships. Early wins equals proof you're more than just an idea. If pre-revenue, use pilots, waitlists, or LOIs, letters of intent. Slide 7, business model. How do you make money? Keep it simple, subscription, commission, freemium, or ads. Show unit economics briefly. Slide 8, competition. Every business has competition. Use a simple matrix, you versus competitors. Show your edge, better, faster, cheaper, unique. Slide 9, go-to-market strategy. How will you acquire customers? Partnerships, digital ads, influencer marketing, sales strategy. Keep it realistic. Slide 10, team. Why you? Highlight founder market fit. Their skills, achievements, and relevant experience. Slide 11, financials and projections. Show 3 to 5 years projections. Revenue, expenses, net profit. Investors know projections aren't perfect, but they want ambition plus logic. Slide 12, the ask. How much money do you need? What will you use it for, team, product, or marketing? Example, we're raising $2 million to expand into 3 new markets, grow to 100K users, and hit $5 million ARR. Now, let's talk about what kills most pitch decks. Too much text, investors don't read paragraphs. No clear story, random slides don't connect. Overpromising, unrealistic hockey stick graphs. A weak design, ugly slides equals lack of professionalism. No ask at the end, always end with your funding request. How to deliver the pitch. Slides don't close deals. You do. So here are quick tips on delivery. Keep it under 10 to 15 minutes. Practice with friends before investors. Focus on storytelling, not memorizing text. Anticipate tough questions, competition, growth, unit economics. Remember, investors bet on teams, not just ideas. Your pitch deck is your entry ticket, but your passion, clarity, and execution are what seal the deal. So go build that deck, refine your story, and get ready to impress. If you found this guide useful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a founder friend. I'll see you in the next video.